back. Now, I am really excited today because I have been invited along with some little glowwormers to one of my good friends' houses. Not only is she a good friend, you will know her as well because she's a major part of the Gloworm Festival now. I am with the brilliant Kelly from Go Bake. Hi, Kelly.
Hello, Bex. Lovely to be here with you.
It's lovely to be here with you too. Thanks for inviting us along.
That's okay, my pleasure.
This is all very exciting. Now, you've probably been told the same as me. Like, you shouldn't work with animals. I've done that one. And you shouldn't work with kids. So this could be fun.
Yes.
Could be
They
fun.
say that for a reason.
Yeah, I think they do. I think they do too. So Kelly has invited us along to do some baking.
Exactly right. We are doing baking today. Yes.
Is that what you're doing again at the Gloworm Festival this year?
I am. We're going to get them all in, all the kids baking lots of fantastic things.
So exciting! Because last year, am I right in thinking that you were doing it with Rusty Lee?
I was. It was me and Rusty Lee last year.
You and your celebrity friends. It looked loads of fun. I don't know if you've seen the pictures, Glowwormers, but they're just amazing. So if you are at the festival and you've got a little one that likes cooking and baking, then you need to book in to see this lady.
That's it. And make sure you get there early and book in with us because we sell out super fast.
They do. They're very, very busy. What kind of thing can they expect at the festival?
I would say lots of fun, lots of
Always
laughter,
fun.
And we'll just wait and see. I haven't even got a clue what I'm making yet, Bex.
I've seen you ninja flipping bread before.
Oh yes, yeah, the ninja moves. Hiya!
Oh, amazing.
Yeah,
I don't know if you've ever been to one of Kelly's classes, but she does do ninja flipping bread. And that wasn't me swearing either. So, what are we going to make today?
Today, Bex, we are making sticks.
Sticks?
Sticks.
Sticks?
Sticks.
Sticky sticks?
Sticky sticks.
Sticky, sticky, stick sticks?
Sticky, sticky, stick sticks.
Sticky, sticky, stick sticks?
Sticks.
I think they're excited.
I think we're making sticky, sticky, stick sticks. So, let's see how we get on, shall we?
Right then, guys, we're going to start baking today. And as we were just telling Bex, we are going to be making sticks today. Are you happy about that, kids?
Yeah. Yes.
Now, I thought today we would make a chocolatey hazelnut kind of biscuit dough. What do you think?
Okay.
That's because I can't use a very popular brand. I just need to show you this, and then I think you'll get my drift.
I want to eat all of that right now.
There we are.
At home, when we tried to make Nutella cookies, but it didn't work.
Did it burn?
That's okay. Today you are with me. So
It wasn't
it's
Beck's
going to
fault.
be-
It was nothing to do with me.
Oh, the children tell me everything, the secrets I hear about mums and dads baking. So, we are going to make a start, guys. First things first, everything at Go Bake is spoons, not scales. So, we are going to start off with 1 spoonful of butter. Excellent. That's
I love
it.
eating butter.
You're going to put that into your bowl, scrape it off, put it in. One of those going in. I'm going to tell you some more ingredients. What's this?
Sugar.
Yeah.
I want to eat some
Sugar! At the end, do not panic, Ruben. So we're going to have 3
Yay.
spoonfuls of sugar going in. I'm going to pass that to Lissy for a moment. We then have some of this. Anyone know what this is?
Cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder, which gives a nice chocolatey taste. We are going to have 1
That means
nice
I get
level
to do the
spoonful
colour.
of that going in. And then our beautiful level teaspoon of chocolate hazelnut spread. Okay guys, so we have now got our sticky sticks out of the oven. Guys, why don't you hold them up and show everyone?
sticky.
Oh yeah, very nice. Now we need to turn them into proper sticks. So for that, we have just melted down some milk chocolate. Oh, we've got a nice little song on that. So, Ruben, are you going to show everyone? We're going to just put it over the top. That's it, go for it. And then we're just going to try and smother it all over with gentle pushes. That's it. Start over here, guys. That's it. Shall I get your big dollop on, Ruben? And then... you going to stick your eyes on?
Yes, stick your eyes on then, boy.
He's just too engrossed with licking that spoon. Alyssa, are you going to show us how your eyes go on? Hang on a minute, Lissy. What's that in your mouth? Is that a chocolate mouth? Right.
This might have to be derpy.
Oh, I like it. Oh, wow. We've gone for some nice placing there. And then we've got our beautiful leaf. And then, guys, that will go into the fridge where it will firm up. And the chocolate will
The leaf
firm
won't
up.
go on.
Good over here as
The
well.
leaf won't go on.
These
I
are
know.
looking
I
so
need it
good.
Put it down a little bit.
They look really good, guys. I think the children are more excited about licking these spoons than.
I think you're probably right, Kelly. I'm not gonna lie. I've got my eyes on one of the bowls.
Oh. Oh wow, Lissy, is that a skirt on that one?
Oh, let's have a look.
Wowzers, that is a kawaii style sticky stick. Stick your eyes on, looking good.
Hold on.